Have you ever seen concrete being poured on site? Don't underestimate this step. Without it, a house can't even grow its bones. Most people only see a finished home, but do you know how those bones are built? Let's take a look. First up, the concrete mixer truck. This giant delivers ready mixed concrete to the site. Then comes the yellow mechanical arm. That's the concrete pump truck, feeding concrete precisely into every corner. But pouring isn't enough. See that tool in the worker's hand? That's a concrete vibrator. Shakes out air bubbles, preventing weak spots and keeping the finish smooth. Meanwhile, another worker controls the hose, making sure every drop goes exactly where it's needed. These truckloads of concrete hold up future walls and rooftops. A house just like us grows step by step. Next time you pass a site, take a closer look. You might be watching the next home growing its bones.